friends, how are you all doing? It's your girl Estelle and I hope you're all doing good. So guys, I'm back this week with a new recipe to share with you. It is a traditional dish from the Ivory Coast, Côte d'Ivoire, where I was brought up. Now the dish is called la sauce Gouagouassou. Yes. This is a delicious dish I grew up eating. I'm pretty sure if you watch the video till the end, you will love this recipe and you would want to give it a try. So guys, without further ado, let me show you how to make it. So for today's protein, I've got a combination of smoked hard chicken, and as you can see, they are all smoked in different ways. The first one that you are seeing is the one I bought it just like that. The color is well brown. And the second one is the one I bought the fresh chicken and smoked it myself. Yes, that's the way I like it with this soup. So these are my today's protein, and because hard chicken or boiled chicken should I say tend to take time to cook, I am going to pre-boil it using these ingredients. Lions roaring in the morning. 3 small size white onions chopped into pieces, 5 garlic cloves, we must never stop the way, a small portion of fresh thyme, but if you can't find the fresh thyme, use the dried one instead. And next to that, I've got a small portion of fresh ginger, and finally 1 green Scotch bonnet pepper. And for my dried ingredients, I will be using 1 tablespoon of dried parsley, 3 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, 1 bouillon cube crushed, and finally some salt to taste. To get started, add all the fresh vegetables into a blender along with some water, then blend it until smooth. Then set it aside for later. Stop the way, yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Next, add all the dry ingredients along with the blended fresh vegetables, then give it a stir. Now it's time to start cooking. Set the fire from high to medium, then cook the chicken, but keep stirring and make sure that all the ingredients are well combined with the chicken. This will normally take 10 to 15 minutes, and that is to allow all the ingredients to soak well with the chicken. Okay guys, while the chicken is cooking, I am going to show you the next ingredients. I will be adding 2 medium-sized white onions, clean and ready to cook. I've also got 2 fresh tomatoes, and next to that I've got smoked dried prawns, and finally a mix of Scotch bonnet peppers, but when it comes to the peppers, the quantity is to your choice. I'm coming home, Savannah. I'm also going to be adding more ingredients. Yes guys, this dish must be the best of all. So I will be adding 1 tablespoon of ground crayfish powder, and I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of ground akpi. Now when it comes to akpi, I don't know the name in English, but this is how it looks like when it's not grounded, and I'm pretty sure you will find it in your local African shop. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. And finally, I've got some homemade dried brown mushroom. And that is all the ingredients for this first part of cooking. Yay! Okay guys, before we check our chicken, I'm going to quickly tie up our smoked dried prawns in a small plastic bag. If you are doing the same like me, remember to pierce the bags to allow the air to go in. Next, it's time to check our chicken. Give it a stir, followed by adding the fresh vegetables and the prawns I showed to you earlier on, along with some water just above the level of the chicken. Stir it well, cover it, and cook it until the vegetables is cooked. This will normally take between 10 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, it's 15 minutes now and the vegetables and the prawns should now be cooked. So remove the fresh vegetables and the prawns, then quickly give it a blend and put it back to the soup. Stir it well, followed by adding in the dried crayfish powder, the grounded eggpea, and the dried brown mushroom. Stir it well, cover it, and let it cook until cooked. This will normally take between 15 to 20 minutes.
Let's go back to when trees were swung, kids across the lane, Savannah.
Okay guys, now that our meat is cooking away, it's time to start creating our soup base. And here are the ingredients. A portion of garden eggs, and I have got about 20 of them.
Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah.
And next to that, I've also got a small portion of fresh okra. And finally, I have got these little vegetables, which is a rare vegetable to get. Even back home, it's not easy to get it. And without these little vegetables right here that you are looking at, this soup will not be called Gouagouassou. Yes, you got me right. Without these little vegetables you are looking right now at, the soup we are going to make is not gonna be called Gouagouassou. That means you must get these little vegetables that you are looking at. And it's called nyanya. You got me right guys, this little vegetable is called nyanya. Unfortunately, I don't know the name in English, but that is the name in the local dialect. And I'm sure you will be able to get it in your local African shop. And if you do not get it in your local African shop, check on Amazon and you may be lucky to find it there.
Lions roaring in the mornings.
Next, transfer the nyanya into a plastic bag and tie it up, followed by placing it into a cooking pan along with the rest of the vegetables, followed by adding a bit of water just above the level of the vegetables. Cover it, then set the fire from high to medium and cook it until cooked.
Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Now it's time to check our vegetables and it should be now cooked. Remove it and set it aside and allow it to completely cool down, then follow by transferring it to a blender. Then blend it to a coarse texture. My next video will show you how it should look like.
Lion's gonna come. just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Okay guys, now that we've finished blending our vegetables, it's now time to check our chicken, and it should be now cooked by then. Give it a stir, then follow by transferring the blended vegetables into the soup. Stir it well, followed by adding in the rest of the Scott bonnet peppers. Cover it and let it slow cook for about 5 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 5 minutes and our soup is now cooked. Give it a nice stir, then cover it and allow it to rest for 5 to 10 minutes before serving.
Lions roaring in the
Guys, the smell in here is amazing. I wish you guys were here with me to share this delicious dish. Unfortunately, it's not the case, but at least you've got the recipe now. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out. I'm pretty sure you would love this, guys, especially at this time of the year. I am serving this with plantain and cassava fufu. I've already uploaded a video on YouTube showing you how I do my plantain and cassava fufu. I will link the video at the end of this video so you can go and have a look to see how I've made it. Also, you can serve this with boiled rice, pounded yam, plakali, banku, kabato, and many more. Okay guys, this brings the end to our today's video. If you like today's recipe, don't forget to give the video a like, and also if you did try the recipe, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below to let me know how it turns out, and also share with your families and friends. And also, if you are new to my channel and if this is your first time watching my video, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section below, and also share with your families and friends. Okay guys, until then, I will catch up with you in my next video. Bye all.